is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, to take a tour with Fire Reid. I'm taking out the town area. So this is gonna be a nice road trip today. I wanna take you all from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. So take a tour with me, your tour guide, Fire Reid. So my location now, Main Street, Mandeville. The direction I'm heading, the south direction. So yeah man, you don't know, so the power one way, you know. Enjoy the road trip with Fire Reid. Just take a look in Mandeville town. Yeah man, Park Crescent. Yeah man, so now if you use up on the indicator under them place here, use up the road signal. So on your left you have the bus park will take you to Santa Cruz Junction. Very close to Sinclair Bargain Center. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Here I can get to Parish Road, carry back to Old Greenville Road. Make your right turn, take you back to hospital side. Mandeville Road. Yeah man, so you see him backstage, just drive out on people, look on the back of him van, this is it, all of them back of him van mash up. So them drive at Jamaica with people. Country Manor Apartments. On your left, you have the Balvenie Heights in Mandeville, Manchester. Roundabouts, you make a left turn, Spur Tree, Santa Cruz, right turn take you to Williamsfield and to Winston Jones Highway. Fruits man up on the road if you don't want no fresh fruits. Yeah man, you can stop right there, so get your pine, apple, grapefruit, jackfruit, all them fruits on you can get on grape, you know. You know, a lot of car marts in Mandeville, Manchester, so if you want a new and used car, you need to come to Mandeville, Manchester. I think Mandeville, Manchester have the most car mart in Jamaica. The Hartsfield area, heading towards Wagon Wheel. So we're now leaving Mandeville. place and them call it the wagon wheel. Yeah, they used to have one a little wagon wheel as a landmark in this area, so them call it wagon wheel. So a lot of place them a dig down in Mandeville. Yeah man, them a clean up the place. You don't know Mandeville, Manchester. I don't know if it's gonna be the next city, the next like Kingston City, Montego Bay City, or they're gonna say it's Manchester City. No hazard, I mean, know, so yeah, we're about to stop. Caution, please. Yeah, might have some big unit ahead of us. Making a left turn going towards Abbey Garden. So in Mandeville, Manchester, you know, you have an organic farm garden, them call it Abbey Garden. A lot of different types of vegetables, strawberries, broccoli, lettuce. On your left, that's where you'll find Abbey Garden. Yeah man, so look up at Manchester. If you want your organic vegetables, you can go to Abbey Garden in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man. And also remember, going towards Spur Tree, that's where you have your curry goat and roti, manish water, soup. You know them soup there. You need to forget about them soup there. In time to come to Mandeville. Going to Mandeville or leaving Mandeville, stop and get your curry goat. Yeah, when I reach close to that location, I will let you all know. Spur Tree. A lot of persons afraid to climb Spur Tree Hill because you know the car engine of it up. A lot of vehicles overheat on Spur Tree Hill. Yeah, and also Spur Tree is a prone area for accident. A lot of accidents happen on Spur Tree, my people. A lot of accidents. Big units just develop mechanical problem and just run off of the road. Imagine coming off a hill without any brake. Yeah, you know, you have other road users coming up that hill. It's also dangerous for them when a truck lose all his brake system. So we just have to ask the Lord to God and protect us when going down Spur Tree Hill, going down or coming up. But it's more dangerous going down, but who is coming up is also dangerous too. So right now I'm in the Kingsland area. On your right you have the Sutherland call center. Yeah, you know, say we have we have about 2 call center in Manchester. I think you have one on Wards Avenue and one in Kingsland. tour, just leave a comment for me please and like up the video. It's free of cost. Yeah man, free of cost. And you know, if you want to watch more of Fire Reid True Jamaican Vibes video, just press the all icon, so as soon as I uploaded a video you will be notified. Just press the all icon. Don't forget that if you want to watch more Fire Reid video. Yeah man, just the vibes, True Jamaican Vibes, just bringing the positive side to Jamaica people all over the world. Yeah, because a lot of persons heard on the news how much things are going on in Jamaica. Yeah, but still I show them area there and how the place looks same way. On your right you have the Meekles Black Factory. If you want your black, you need to come to Meekles Black Factory. Yeah man, so we're coming up towards the curry goat place here now. Yeah man, I tell you, so this is where you get the best curry goat and yeah man, the best curry goat and rice and peas or white rice with your managed water any way you want it. So on your left, yeah man, you have the curry goat place on your left. Yeah man, I think it's Claudette curry goat place. You see a lot of persons there right now stopping getting their curry goats. Yeah man, any way you want it, with a white rice or rice and peas. And also design tile on your left. So if you don't want to the tile and need to come close into the Spur Tree Hill area, very close to the curry goat place, you know. People, so we approach Spur Tree Hill now. Yeah man, so we approach a great Spur Tree Hill. So when I go down Spur Tree Hill, I always approach Spur Tree Hill in low gear. Yeah man, a lot of persons just going down Spur Tree Hill with the same speed. You need to put on compression on your engine. Yeah. Sometimes when you're just driving on Spur Tree Hill, all depends, you can see the whole place just get fog up. Yeah man, so Spur Tree Hill just can take over by a big fog, and it's very dangerous for all road users. So be careful on Spur Tree Hill when driving. Some people, you see the truck guy here, might take a little time. That's the way how it's supposed to be. Big unit, take a little time, go down the hill, you know. Car crash hotspots, so you have to be aware, you know. our time. Yeah man, I remember saying Spur Tree have one U-corner down by All Season Jerk Center. Yeah man, so you have to be careful of that corner there, my people. Yes, my people. Jamaica is a beautiful island, natural beauty. This is where a lot of people come for them vacation and enjoy it, you know. On your left, you have the All Season Jerk Center. Yeah, man, you must forget it a while ago, you know. All Season Jerk Center. Now we're gonna approach in the deep corner after you pass All Season coming down from Spur Tree. Yeah, approach it right now. Just take your little time because when this road wet, very dangerous. I could remember one time driving down this road, rain just drizzle a bit, and I was taking my time going around this corner. And when I realized I found the car turning in the opposite direction, I was so frightened. I have to stop the car and come out and look and hold my hand on my head and say, yes, it's not my turn. So you have to be careful for that. You have to be careful about that corner right there. Very dangerous corner. Some person that said the driver, but some of the time I think the road could fix much better so we can have a better traction on the road. Yeah man, so when you reach in place, you can have your soup same way and your corn. Tell us that Jamaica nice people. Anywhere on the road we can stop and have a food. Yeah man, so we still go down Spur Tree to Gotazera, you know. You know, say always have a corn man on Spur Tree Hill. The man that do them corn and them peanut porridge. Yeah man, you don't know, say corn soup with your peanut porridge and a corn on the side. Yeah man, that's just match together, you know. All the Jamaica can come have them type of food, yeah, the right way. Real Jamaican style, really hard man style. So on your left you have the corn, that's the corn stop right there. And once the lady having corn soup a while ago. Just enjoy the road trip with Fire Reid. Yeah man, so when you come at Eglinton, close to Eglinton here, right here on your right here, you can have your freshly coconut, your melon, also your pine, your sweet pepper. So everything is on the way going to St. Elizabeth from Manchester. Coming back from Santa Cruz to Manchester is gonna be the same thing. So anyone wants any nursing home, Mountain View Nursing Home, Eglinton, Manchester, yeah man, we just passed a while ago because a lot of persons want to put them family member at a home and don't know where to go. So you can check out that one on Spur Tree Hill, Eglinton. Yeah man, so check it out on paper. Leaving Spur Tree Hill, so I would say we are on the border of Spur Tree of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Yeah man, so right now I am in St. Elizabeth, the Breadbasket Parish in St. Elizabeth. You know it's at St. Elizabeth with there. Yeah man, you come to St. Elizabeth, you see the sign say welcome to St. Elizabeth. When you come to St. Elizabeth, you can go to Lover's Leap, you can go to Lashings, Jack Sprat, Liquor Oche, 77 West, Black River Safari, Pelican Bar, Sandbar. Yeah man, you need to check out them places when you come to St. Elizabeth. Also Jamaican Zoo, YS Falls, all those places you need to check out. My people, you need to check it out. A lot of more places in St. Elizabeth, a lot of nice Airbnb. So you know, if you don't want to stop at a hotel, you can book an Airbnb, whether it is in St. Elizabeth or in Manchester. A lot of Airbnb in the Southfield area. Very nice place, very cool temperature. Yeah man, so you can check out the Airbnb over on the south side, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you know, it's about the south side, you can get a nice, that's where you have a lot of farming take place on the south side. You have your scallion, your thyme, your sweet pepper, your cabbage. Everything them farm on the south side. That's the farming area. Yeah man, they give it a nice name. It's the Breadbasket. on the Pepper area. If you make a right turn, we'll take you all to Pepper Primary. So you know in Pepper you also have a dairy farm in Pepper. So if you want your freshly cow's milk, you can come in Pepper area for your cow's milk. People also remember St.Elizabeth Parish. St.Elizabeth, one of the largest parishes, is located in the southwest of the island. Yeah man, so members of St.Elizabeth is one of the largest parish. And also in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz is going to be the hottest town in St. Elizabeth. I would say over Jamaica, Santa Cruz is the hottest town. But you have a place in St. Elizabeth, them call it Malvern area. It's a very cool area. Very nice climate over in the Malvern area when you go to Monroe and Hampton side. Very nice place there. If you're a person who like the cold climate, you need to visit over there. So we just have some rain, as you can see the road, have some water on the roadside. So St. Elizabeth just get some rain. I know the farmers supposed to have smile at St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, because the farmers them need the rain, and some areas in St. Elizabeth they normally get no rain like that. Even on the south side, not a lot of rainfall in the south area. So you realize the farmers them they have to buy a lot of water to grow their crops, and it's very expensive to farm in St. Elizabeth. Well, all over in Jamaica it's expensive to farm, especially when you don't have any water system. Yeah man, so we're in the Goshen area, the place them call Goshen. So when you come in Goshen, you have a 4K hotel open. You can call 954 5599. You can call that place if you want to stop in this area. I know some of the time you come from one place and meeting at some difficulties, you have to stop and see if you can book a room and sort out yourself in the morning. And also on your left you have a Howard housing development on your left, so you can check out that. First Global, you can contact the First Global Bank if you don't want a home loan mortgage. Yeah man, so you can contact them. So thank you all for taking the road trip with Fire Reid. Yeah man, you're a true Jamaican tour guide. Yes, people, you know, a lot of persons come from different location. This is a road where you have to look out for police. Police always there on them road there. So wear the seat belt and drive the speed limit. You see 80 kilometer. Yeah man, so don't drive the speed limit for me people and don't overdo it. Don't cause any accident on the road. Please, I'm asking you all. You can see the road pretty, because when you see the road pretty, you have a lot of Jamaicans decide if you say, yeah, I do road here now, so road pretty, so road time. So take your time on the road and reach safe to your destination. No speeding, speed kill. I'm very close to the Goshen Sports Complex, very close, you know, a lot of concerts used to keep there back in the days. You have Terry Linen and them big artists there, a lot of artists, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, a lot of gospel concerts used to keep at the sports complex also. So on your right we have the Genesis Manor. Yeah man, so now selling, so you can check out the Genesis Manor. On your right you have the Goshen Sports Complex. Yeah man, Goshen Sports Complex. Yeah, so you're heading towards the Braze River turn off in a couple minutes or so. We're gonna reach a turn off to go to Braze River. Remember back in the days, Braze River, they have an air base over in Braze River, and think them kind of destroy it because them say they use it to ship drugs to other countries, so them discharge the air base over in Braze River. But a lot of cane, them farm a lot of cane in the Braze River area, and also in Braze River them have a school over there, Elam School. Yeah man, so a lot of persons go to that school over there also. So big up to all of the Braze River people, them watching from yard and abroad. You don't know, Fire Reid is right here taking you on this journey. Nice road trip man with Fire Reid. On your right you have the Newcastle Road. Yeah man, so Newcastle Road, you have a lot of nice houses over there. Coming up is on your right is the Braze River turn off. If you turn off, you can take you to Braze River, Balaclava. Yeah man, even to can take you back to Mile Gully, straight back into Manchester, my people. have the Bent and Solomon Funeral Home. On your left, if you make a left turn, you have a place them call them Lovely Point Road. Now on the Longwood main road. So if you make a left turn, it will take you to Longwood housing scheme. You make a right turn, it will take you to Olive Park in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. If you make a left turn down here, it will take you all to Beagles Boulevard. You are now entering Santa Cruz. Welcome to Santa Cruz. Yeah man, a lot of persons supposed to go to St. Elizabeth Technical High School. A lot of persons went to that school, so in 400 feet on your left, that's where you're gonna have St. Elizabeth Technical High School. So you will see the difference between Santa Cruz and Mandeville town if you watch all of the video. people. So look at Santa Cruz town. So I don't think it is like Mandeville. All depends on the day. So in the comment section, just tell me which one of the town look more beautiful. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your tour guide. Blessings of people, blessings, blessings, blessings.